Are you worried about your kids falling behind in their studies? Do you want to give them extra support to help them excel in school? Look no further than our study worksheets. Our worksheets are designed to help students of all ages and abilities master various subjects. From math and science to language arts and social studies, we have worksheets that cover a wide range of topics. Our worksheets are also customizable to suit your child's needs, allowing you to adjust the difficulty level and content to match their individual learning goals. With our study worksheets, your child can practice important skills and concepts, reinforce their understanding of key topics, and develop the confidence they need to succeed in school. So why wait? Give your child the boost they need to achieve their full potential with our study worksheets today. Worksheets includes reading worksheets, drawing worksheets, painting worksheets, science worksheets, maths worksheets.